But we still have another request in here, no? We still have another request in here. So, of course, again, every request, gonna watch it. So everyone a fan of Low G in the house. Hey, this is by the way part of their part of Flo G's new album 247 Big Dreams official music video. It was released just what 2 hours ago. All right, and we are watching it live. Hey, Muntinlupa.
Same lane, di nag-switch.
Hey,
Same game, ibang wave. Same way, di matrace. Same day, ibang place. Moves, swabit din na basic. Tostado ng hate.
I'm sorry. Ano yung hawak niyo dun?
Same day, ibang place. Moves, swabit din na basic. Tostado ng hate.
Hey,
Dating mo pa sound trip, di man ikaw yung nag-play. Sobrang crazy, pag gumawa ng play. Kita naman yung plano gumana. Ito na yung mga someday. Kahit kami na mga nakakalam.
kita mo naman na yung plano na yung mga gumana. Ito na yung mga someday. At yung mga someday mo dati, like, someday magiging ganito ako. Ito na yung mga someday.
Mang sa galaw, tutok palagi. Apaw-apaw ni mula. Tuloy pa sa lagarin. Kahit merong uutusan, gumagalaw pa ng kusa. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung usad. Alaman dapat fokusan. Dami na rin natutunan. Mula una, tinutukan. Every minute I do something. Asa pa na maubusan.
Hey.
Patagal ng patagal, pangarap palaki ng palaki.
Oh man, the visuals in this music video, no? Pero totoo, no? 'Di ba? Ang dami ng sikat ngayon. Again, we can still connect that to the interview of Josh earlier. What the hell? The interview of Josh earlier na hindi porket sumikat ka na, yun na lang yun, no? I mean, as you can see, Flo G is still, I mean, Flo G is one of the best, you can say, best rapper that we have right now, like present right now, but is still grinding. You know? Best rapper that we have in the Philippines, still grinding. 'Di ba? Which is, sobrang dami na ng pinakitang pera, no? You're still grinding. So, ba't ikaw hindi? Ba't ikaw hindi?
Mga mata padami na padami. Habang abala ako palaguin. Asa ka naman ako magpapake. I pray sa kada mission mag-click agad yung plan eh.
Hey.
Mag-miss yung plan na mag-train. Try lang ulit walang ibang way. Big dream, big thing, big steps, big wins, big thing, big stage, big shots, big deal, big change, big change, big
What the hell?
stage, big shots,
This fucking shot, man. This shot.
big deal, big change, big rings, big blings, big things, big bikes, big cars,
Hey.
big ring. Same lane, di nag-switch. Make plans, then I stick with it. Game changer and drip.
Make plans and stick with it. No? I mean, napaka-simple, no? Make plans and you stick with it. Napaka-simple, napaka-basic. But, you know what? That's fucking hard. Totoo lang, no? Ang daming ano dito na hindi makapag-stay sa isang, ano, no? Na seryosohin yung isang bagay.
Sinisilang mga dibilig, paparazzi, mga nagsisiksik ang pagdarating na flash isang click. Daming like isang pic, pag alam mong rap star na sa lip.
Fucking rhyme scheme. I actually listened to this already. It's part of my favorites in Spotify. No? But fucking hell, man.
Flash isang click.
Hey.
Daming like isang pic, pag alam mong rap star na sa lente. Makontento sa content. Bala na yung mga bubble jam, kundi sila makonvince. Sagot lagi puro all long, lalo pag walang sense. Dami negatibong comments, kasi puro
Sagot ko lagi, oo lang, lalo pag walang sense.
all long, lalo pag walang sense.
Hey.
Dami negatibong comments, kasi puro positive yung moments. Agoy, masakit.
Daming negatibong comments kasi puro positibo yung moments. That is fucking hater in a nutshell, man. Diba?
Yata na makita, wag ko na lang tignan. Paiba-iba ng weight, pati big bike, ano man naman trip Iba na yung mga trip, pag downshift talaga namang iwan Kahit hindi bumibirit, mga hirit, kaboom
Hey!
Lalo kapag nasa zone, libo-libo kinikater Napanood yung performance, turn into fan mga haters Kung gusto mo mag-show up, akin na muna milyon Pag ako mulap ay parang kurot kumpara sa suot Big dream, big team, big steps, big wins, big name, big stage, big shots, big deal, big change, big change, big rings, big blings, big things, big bikes, big cars, big dreams, big dream,
Hey!
big
Hey!
steps, big wins,
Good evening, no? Good evening.
big name, big stage, big shot, big deal,
Let's go,
big
man.
change, big chains, big rings, big blings.
That fucking drone is fucking clear, no? Sobrang linaw ng camera na ito. What the hell?
Change,
Look at this shot, man. Sobrang linaw, no?
big rings, big blings,
Hey!
big things, big bikes, big cars, big rings.
Hey! Fucking Flow G, man. Fucking Flow G. Sobrang nararamdaman ko kung gaano kahirap, no? God damn it. Fucking Flow G, nakakaasar. But let's go with Flow G, no? Again, another song that is part of his new album 247, which is a great fucking album, no? So, hindi nyo pa napapainggan yun. Check nyo. Napakaganda. Napaka-solid, no? Gusto nyo lang painggan, man. I mean, most probably napainggan nyo na, but I just wanna say,